Welcome to the traditional world of tea. Today, we are going to experience brewing a pot of aromatic Dahongpao Oolong Tea. Please prepare your Gaiwan as we embark on this tranquil journey. First, take an appropriate amount of Dahongpao tea leaves, about 6 grams, and place them in the clean Gaiwan. Admire the texture and color of the dry leaves as the first step to sensing the aroma. Gently shake the Gaiwan to unfold the aroma of the tea leaves into the air, a step known as waking the fragrance, allowing you to appreciate the unique fruity and woody scent of Dahongpao. Next is the crucial step of boiling water. The temperature should be controlled between 95 degrees C to 100 degrees C, 203 degrees to 212 degrees C. As such, high heat will fully release the fragrance and sweetness of the Dahongpao leaves. Before brewing, rinse the teaware with boiling water to warm the cups and remove any residual scent, ensuring the purity of the tea's flavor. Once ready, pour a small amount of hot water to rinse the tea. This step, known as awakening the leaves, removes surface dust and impurities and revives the tea for a smoother brewing process. After the leaves slightly unfurl, discard the rinsing water, quickly fill with freshly boiled water up to 70% of the Gaiwan. Cover with the lid, wait for about 20 seconds before gently lifting the lid. The first infusion, like morning dewdrops, is refreshing and pure. Now, with each breath you take, savor the wonder of Dahongpao. Every sip is a journey. Enjoy your voyage,